Is it good? The bulgogi, luto na.
Yeah.
Sigurado ka? Yeah, umalis kami doon. Doon sa Elimi. Masyadong mahaba ang pila. Bukas pa ba? Dito tayo sa Korean. Old school to. Korean. Dito tayo sa Korean. Sa labas pa lang. Amoy mo na.
So, 11 p.m.
Ano yun? Ha? Go? Go Tantelos? What's that? Ang dami tao ah. Tuloy. Magkano yung tol ganyan na? 42. 42? Parang ano din? We'll try.
Go na. Ay, gonna go. Ito, madami.
Dalawa lang muna. Pwede ka naman ang umulit eh. Chicken wing. Pork belly.
Chicken wings. You want chicken wings, Mami? You just say chicken wings.
Sorry, were you guys doing the deluxe or the basic?
Ito yung mga pork.
Nag-order ba tayong beef brisket?
I don't know. Puro one in-order mo eh.
Beef bulgogi, I think.
Short rib eh. Ayaw yata dalawa.
Pero yung shoulder, hindi. Tsaka itong beef.
Mamaya na lang, tapusin mo natin.
Ayan, nagluluto na yung cook. Part-time muna siya.
Ito pinakamahal.
Yeah, short ribs.
These are good.
And this is the bulgogi, short ribs, and pork belly. Ilan lang naman yung kind of meat na kinuha natin. But I like it here because, ayan o, lalaki.
Ayan.
Boneless fried chicken.
Tagal maluto eh. Mainit? You like it? Chicken. Tagal maluto.
Thank you.
The bulgogi. That's the bulgogi, right? It's all good? Pork belly. Dalawa.
Trap. How's the food, AJ? So far? Good? Yeah. Try daw niya spicy rice cake.
Spicy rice?
Yeah.
Manatid.
Ang? Ang?
Maang-ang?
I'm not gonna even try. Hindi ko kaya. Try mo na yung takoyaki. It's good? It's okay? It's okay, Dad. Just taste spicy. Short ribs.
Ayun po.
It's good. I like kasi maraming short ribs. Yun yung favorite namin. Tapos may dessert din siya, tsaka pop, unlimited. So, may ice cream. Yun lang difference niya. Sa bulgogi kasi walang short ribs at tsaka walang pop and dessert. But yung sa kanila, yung mga noodles nila, may bayan. So, yan. Ito yung bill. Plus tip. So, not bad.
142. Solid.
So, yeah, it's a good experience. Thank you for watching.